Verify the trigonometric identity cosecant alpha minus sine alpha equals cosine alpha times cotangent alpha. I'll choose to work with the left side of this equation and apply trigonometric identities and other algebra moves to make it match up with the right side. Cosecant alpha we know is 1 over sine alpha. I'll rewrite minus sine alpha. Next, I'm going to try to complete this subtraction. And since we have a fraction 1 over sine alpha, we need a common denominator. This sine alpha is like sine alpha over 1, and to get a common denominator, I'll multiply numerator and denominator by sine alpha. Now we're looking at 1 over sine alpha minus sine squared alpha over sine alpha. Now that the denominators match, we can combine the numerator. 1 minus sine squared alpha over sine alpha. Now we have an identity that we can use. The Pythagorean identity cosine squared plus sine squared equals 1. From this identity, if we were to subtract sine squared alpha from both sides, we see cosine squared alpha equals 1 minus sine squared alpha. So our numerator here equals cosine squared alpha. Now the cosine squared alpha in the numerator is a cosine alpha times another cosine alpha. I'll choose to keep the denominator with this cosine, the second one, and write cosine alpha times cosine alpha over sine alpha. And now cosine over sine equals cotangent. So we have it shown that the left side equals the right side. Cosecant alpha minus sine alpha does equal cosine alpha times cotangent alpha.